Author Stian carefully laid Vian down on the bed, pulling the blanket over her. He was about to step back when her fingers suddenly curled into his shirt collar. Tiang softly, Vian. Before he could react, she tugged him closer with surprising strength. He lost his balance and fell forward, his hands landing on either side of her, casing her in. Author, their faces were so close, her breath warm against his skin, and then without a second thought, Vine leaned up and pressed her lips to his. It was quick, soft, but it was froze him in place. Young thoughts, what is she doing? He didn't move, still in shock, his heart pounding loud enough that he swore she could hear it. Author's Vine, still drunk, let her head fall back onto the pillow, eyes flirting shut as if nothing happened. Tiang slowly strengthened, touching his lips in disbelief. He stood there for a long moment, staring at her sleeping form. Tiang whispers, you are going to be the death of me. Authors. The next morning, Vian opened her eyes, her head heavy, flashes of last night's party come back. The dance, the drinks, and then Tiang the kiss. Tiang sat in his office looking at some files, but his mind was elsewhere. Did she really kiss me? Or was it just because of the drinks? Authors. By noon, everyone was busy. Today, some big businessmen from the Korea were coming. The conference room was set, and Vian, dressed in a white shirt and black skirt, was preparing her presentation. Just then, the glass door opened. Tiang walked in, and beside him was a man, Jungkook. Vian eyes widened. Jungkook froze too. Jungkook, you? Vian, you here? Everyone looked at them confused. Tiang glanced at both, his face serious. Tiang, you two know each other? Vian, stay silent. Jungkook, stay silent. The room fell into an awkward silence. Author's Tiang eyes moved between Vian and Jungkook, waited for an answer. Vian cleared her throat and said calmly, Vian, yes, I met him before in Korea at a company meeting. She quickly turned her eyes to the laptop screen, pretending to not check her slides. Author Jungkook didn't say a word, he just kept looking at her, his face showing sadness and guilt. The conference began. Vian stood in front giving her presentation confidently. Her voice was steady, but inside her heart was beating fast. From the other side of the table, Jungkook's eyes never left her. Authors. It was like he wasn't even listening to the business talk. His whole attention was on Vian. Tiang noticed Jungkook stare. A strange feeling started to grow in his chest. Authors. The meeting ended. Everyone stood up, shaking hands and exchanging cards. Vian was packing her laptop when she heard a voice behind her. Jungkook, Vian, can we talk? Author. She froze for a second, then slowly turned around. Vian, I'm busy, Jungkook, I have work. Author. Jungkook stepped closer, lowering his voice. Jungkook, just 5 minutes, please. Author. Vian stood away. There's nothing to talk about. She tried to walk past him, but Jungkook gently held her wrist. Jungkook, I am sorry for everything. I didn't expect to see you here, author. Her heart skipped a beat hearing his voice, but she pulled her hand back. When the past is over, Jungkook, let it stay there. Before Jungkook could say more, Taehyung appeared beside them, his expression unreadable. Taehyung, is everything okay here? Van quickly nodded. Van, yes, we are just leaving. Author's Taehyung gaze moved between the two, sensing the tension but saying nothing. He simply put his hand on Van's back and guided her out of the room. Jungkook stood there watching them leave, a mix of regret and determination in his eyes. Next. 2 days later in company, authors Jungkook grips on Van's wrist was tightened. As he pulled her towards the corridor, she struggled. Van, Jungkook, leave me, author. But he didn't stop. Just then Taehyung turned the corner and froze. His eyes narrowed in anger as he walked quickly towards them. Taehyung, let her go. Author's Taehyung's voice was low but filled with warning. Jungkook stopped, looking Taehyung straight in the eyes and smacked Jungkook. Who are you? Tell me that, he said. Author's Taehyung clenched his jaw, ready to pull Van away, but Jungkook's next word hit him like a knife. Jungkook, she's my wife. I do whatever I want, so just stay away. Authors, the world seems to stop for Taehyung. His hand froze midair. His breath cuffed Van, eyes went wide, but before she could speak, Jungkook dragged her away down the halfway. Taehyung stood there, her heart pounding, mind blank, his fist trembling, and then a single tear slipped from his eyes. He didn't even realize it was falling. Authors Jungkook didn't slow down until they reached an empty room. He pushed the door open, pulled Van inside, and shut it behind them with a loud thud. Van jerked her hand away. Van, what are you doing, author? She snapped, anger and confusion mixing in her voice. Jungkook stepped closer, his eyes searching hers. Jungkook, I told you I'm not letting you walk away from me again. His tone was low, almost trembling. Author Van shook her head, taking a step back. Van, you don't get to just show up after all this time and act like nothing happened. Authors outside the room, Taehyung was still standing in the corridor. He hadn't moved, but his feet slowly carried him closer until he was right outside the door. Thought the rain, thin wall, he could hear faint voices. One voice, Jungkook voice. Inside Jungkook expression softened for a moment. Jungkook, I know I made a mistake, but you were mine, Van. You still are. His hand reached out, almost touching her cheek. Van turned her face away, her voice breaking. Van, you lost that right, Jungkook. Author's Taehyung heart ached at every word he coughed, but he stayed frozen, torn between walking away and barging in. Vine, voice shaking but eyes strong. Go away, Jungkook. I hate you. Cheating is not a compulsion, it's a choice, and you choose it. So just leave. Jungkook jaw clenched, stepping closer in anger. You think you can talk to me like that after everything? Grabs her wrist tightly. Van is struggling. Let me go, Jungkook. Jungkook grip tightened, voice dark. You are mine, Van. Always were, always will be. Van crying out in pain. Ah, you are hurting me, Jungkook. Leave me. Suddenly the door burst open. The young eyes blazed, rushing in. Punches Jungkook hard on the jaw. Don't you ever touch her again, Jungkook. This is not over. Glaze at Taehyung before storming out. Taehyung turned to Vian, voice soft. Are you okay, Vian? Yeah, I think so. Later that night, in Vian office, the door slams open, staring Vian. Jungkook stops in eyes full of rage but hiding something deeper. He throws a set of papers at her face. Jungkook, cold, sharp tone. Sign this. Vian. What is this? Jungkook looking away, jaw tight. Divorce papers. Vian's shocked voice breaking. You want to end this, Jungkook? Yes, because clearly Taehyung loves you more than I ever could, and you are happy with him. Vian, Jungkook. Jungkook cutting her off, pretending to smirk. Don't just sign it. The truth is, whenever I am here, I just remind you of your past, the pain, the mistake, and I don't want you to look at me and feel that again. Van whispers. So you are pushing me away, Jungkook. Call it whatever you want, just sign. He walked out, leaving the papers on her desk, his hand trembling as he closes the door. Author Taehyung was passing by Vian office when he noticed the door slightly open. He peeked inside, saw Vian sitting alone, her face buried in her hand, quietly crying on the desk lay on divorce paper. Jungkook had left. Taehyung, Vian. He stepped inside softly, closed the door behind him. Vian didn't look up, tears still falling. Vian was shaky. He want me to sign these. Say you love me more than he ever could. Taehyung kneeled beside her. I'm sorry you are going through this. He wiped her tears gently. Jungkook thinking Jungkook is hurting you. He's pushing her away because he thinks it's best. Taehyung softly, I promise, Vian, I will find the truth and no one will hurt you anymore. To be continued. Hey Army, please subscribe to this channel and don't forget to share. Next part will be more shocking for you all. So stay tuned. Bye bye.